Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products, giving you the honest, expert insights you need. Today, we're exploring something that's been gaining attention in the beauty community, the Milk Makeup Future Fluid All-Over Cream Concealer. This product promises medium to full coverage with a luminous, crease-proof finish that lasts up to 12 hours. If that's something you've been looking for, then let's break it down together. Now, let's start with the basics. The Milk Makeup Future Fluid Concealer is a cream formula designed to provide medium to full coverage. It's meant for all skin types, and it's formulated with a luminous finish to brighten up those problem areas like under eye circles or blemishes. It's cruelty-free and vegan, which is always a plus if you're conscious about ethical beauty choices. The texture of the concealer is smooth and creamy, making it easy to blend either with your fingertips, a brush, or a sponge. It's also designed to wear for up to 12 hours, which is impressive. So how does it actually perform? In my personal experience, this concealer blends beautifully into the skin. It's got that perfect balance where it's not too thick, but still provides enough coverage to hide imperfections. I tested it on both blemishes and under the eyes, and while it did a good job of covering breakouts, I was especially impressed with how it brightened up my under eye area without being too heavy. The luminous finish wasn't overly glowy, which I liked. It just gave me that fresh, well-rested look. I found it to be pretty buildable as well. If you need a little extra coverage, you can easily add more without it looking cakey or settling into fine lines. In terms of wear, I put it to the test in both morning and evening conditions, and it really held up. It didn't crease or fade away, which is key for long-lasting concealers. I did notice a bit of shine in the T-zone towards the end of the day, but nothing that a quick touch-up couldn't fix. Now let's talk about some of the pros. The texture is incredibly smooth, and the product doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which is a huge bonus for those who don't like that thick, cakey feeling. The luminous finish is also something that sets it apart from a lot of other concealers that tend to look flat. It really does provide that radiant glow without being too much, and the 12-hour wear is definitely a standout feature. On the flip side, there are a few cons. While it's great for most skin types, if you have oily skin, you may find that you need to set it with powder to avoid any shine throughout the day. I also noticed that while it's buildable, it's not quite as full coverage as some other concealers out there, so it may not be the best choice for those looking for heavy-duty coverage for stubborn spots. As for value for money, I'd say it's a fair price for what you're getting. You're paying for a high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free product with excellent wear time, which is often worth a bit more. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, they may not offer the same level of performance or ethical standards, so it's about weighing your priorities. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are plenty of drugstore concealers that provide a similar finish, but none with quite the same long-lasting luminous effect. Products like Maybelline Instant Age Rewind or L'Oréal Paris True Match come to mind. They both give decent coverage and are great options if you're on a budget. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, and the formula feels lightweight yet substantial. I didn't notice any issues with the tube or dispensing, which is always a good sign. Final verdict: the Milk Makeup Future Fluid All-Over Cream Concealer is a great option for those looking for medium to full coverage with a natural, radiant finish. It's a solid pick if you have dry to normal skin and want something that will brighten and cover without the heavy feel. However, if you have oily skin or need heavy coverage, this might not be your top choice. I'd recommend this to beauty lovers who prioritize vegan and cruelty-free products, but still want something effective. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.